Good Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young. Right now we are looking at the 500 millibar map. This is for Monday morning, and you can see a big lobe of absolute vorticity and a low pressure sitting right over southern Canada. That's not what's going to be moving our way, but what will be moving our way is a deep trough, and this could provide western North Carolina with the first flakes of the season. So here, let's advance it on forward. This is Wednesday morning at 1 a.m. This is when the area of absolute vorticity and the trough is at its strongest point, and at this point there could be some snowflakes flying across western North Carolina. So let's look here at this is our precipitation map along with our sea level pressure, and as we advance it forward, we'll stop right here. This is also at 1 a.m., and what you are seeing here is some very intense precipitation over western North Carolina, but the key is the 0C line, that's the temperature line, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, is to our east. That means that there is a good possibility that some of this moisture could fall as snow. Now, how much snow? Well, that's still up in the air. The GFS shows the system quickly moving off the coast and just maybe dumping a quick inch in our mountain communities, with most of the foothills and Piedmont areas just seeing a few flurries from this system early Wednesday morning. The European model, though, has a totally different solution. Let's take a look at it. So here's the area of low pressure right here. It's stretching right through South Dakota on into Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. And then we watch it here. It's diving through the Tennessee Valley. But then look what happens here. This is Thursday morning, and there is the low pressure center right over top of the Asheville, Morganton, Hickory, Charlotte area. Basically, western North Carolina would be under the gun right now if the European model is correct. And look at these snowfall totals from the European model. I mean, 10 to 20 inches of snow in some locations across North Carolina, mainly to the west of Interstate 95 would be seeing the best chance of seeing snow during this time period. So what does all this mean for you? Well, we could be seeing our first flakes of the season, and there's a lot of uncertainty on what this storm will do. Some models have the storm just heading right out to sea and us just seeing a couple showers and no snow. The GFS model does show us with a few flakes of snow, but very light accumulations. And the European model shows us receiving a lot of snow in a very short amount of time in our first winter storm of the season. There's a lot of things to track, and I will be keeping you updated. There will be more video alerts issued later on throughout the weekend, so please stay tuned. Thank you for listening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young.